Mentor, some people say ChatGPT made them rich, others call it a complete scam. So, who's actually telling the truth?
Both. Most people fail because they ask the wrong question.
So, they're selling ChatGPT?
No, they're selling something people desperately need.
Nobody buys ChatGPT, they buy solved problems.
So ChatGPT never created the money. The skill did.
Exactly. After today, you'll never use ChatGPT the same way again, because you're about to learn the one AI skill companies are paying thousands of dollars for.
Before I show you the skill, you first need to understand something. Why are companies willing to pay thousands of dollars for it?
Every single hour, businesses lose money because work isn't getting done. They don't need more workers, they need smarter systems.
So, one AI prompt can save an entire business?
If it solves the right problem, yes. Most people collect prompts. The smartest people solve problems.
So, that's literally how people earn on.
Exactly. Simple, but incredibly valuable.
Now you know why companies pay. In the next chapter, I'm going to show you how beginners earn their very first $100.
But where does a beginner even find someone who will pay them?
Good question. The easiest place to start is Fiverr.
Remember, people don't buy ChatGPT, they buy, sell. The result.
I've never done this before.
Perfect. That's exactly why you have ChatGPT. $10. That's the power of AI. Congratulations. You earned your first. If you keep working like this, you'll always trade your time for money. Now, let me show you how people scale this.
I made my first $100, but I still can't quit my job.
Because you're still selling your time.
Most people sell hours. The wealthy build systems.
So I don't create everything again?
No, you reuse what already works. The smarter you organize, the faster you grow.
I understand now. I'm building a system.
You've learned how to earn, you've learned how to scale. But imagine if ChatGPT made money even while you sleep.
I was sleeping, so who paid me?
Not someone, something. The system you built. Physical products run out, but digital products can be sold forever.
So, I only upload it once?
And the internet keeps selling it. The internet never sleeps, so your business doesn't have to.
So the goal isn't working harder.
It's building assets.
Everything you've learned today happened because AI works with people. But what happens when AI stops helping and starts replacing people?
AI is taking jobs. Is that really true?
Let's find out. AI won't replace every worker, but workers who know AI will replace workers who don't.
So, AI is creating new opportunities?
Exactly. Every revolution creates new winners.
Businesses don't pay for AI. They pay for better results, more results.
The future belongs to people who work with AI. So don't ask, will AI replace me? Ask yourself, how can AI make me more valuable? And that's exactly what I'll show you next.
You said 5 AI change my future? Which one should I learn first?
Let's begin with the most valuable skill. AI isn't magic. It follows your instructions. The better your prompt, the better your result.
So, writing prompts is actually a real skill?
Absolutely. Companies pay hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars to people who know how to communicate with AI. Skill number 2, AI automation. Businesses love people who save them time.
So businesses really pay for this?
If you save a business 20 hours every month, they'll happily pay you hundreds of dollars. You've learned the first 2 skills, but the next skill has built thousands of YouTube channels and completely changed online income.
So people are really building YouTube channels with AI?
Not because AI does everything. They succeed because they know how to use AI better than everyone else.
Years ago, creating videos needed a whole team. Today, one person, using AI, can build the same business.
So one good video can reach millions of people?
Exactly. Content is the fastest way to earn people's attention.
So I don't have to do everything myself?
The smartest creators, they build AI systems that work for them.
So, even while I'm sleeping, my content keeps working? That's the difference between working for money and building digital assets.
Creating content gets attention, but attention doesn't always become money. So how do businesses turn attention into customers? Thousands of people watched. Why haven't we earned anything?
Because attention alone doesn't make money.
This is how businesses turn strangers into customers.
So AI can also sell products?
It helps people buy with confidence. Marketing turns attention into income. Discover and buy.
Now I understand. Content brings people. Marketing builds the business.
Today you've learned how AI creates income. But the highest earners don't sell AI. They solve expensive problems.
So, how do I become someone businesses can't replace?
By solving problems that cost businesses time, money, or customers. When you save a business hours of work every single day, you stop being an expense. You become an investment.
So, I finally understand. People don't pay me because I use ChatGPT.
Exactly, like a freelancer. You're thinking like a business owner.
5 years from now, people won't ask if you used AI. I'm ready.